So we get down to the New York Stock Exchange, where our good friend Jim Cramer joins us now. Jim, we've been on a bit of a whipsaw up and down, now down this morning on those comments from Stefan Bancel at Moderna. Surprised a little bit, trying to figure out if it's those comments or what we think is going to be coming from the Fed later today when we hear from Mr. Powell.
No, I think it was really the FT article, which, if you remember, if you parse what Bancel said to Meg yesterday, you don't get what he said to the FT. Actually, it's wildly inconsistent. I think Len from Regeneron was pretty downbeat. I didn't expect that. But Bancel has really come out on the other side from Bourla. And I think Bourla, in the same page of the FT, basically told you he's in charge. And I think that we need to hear from Bourla. I've got Dr. Topol tonight. But one thing I would say that you guys have really nailed is that they're really the disparate voices. I mean, we got guys saying everything. I mean, the professionals are completely baffled, and they'll say anything they want. So I'm a little disappointed in the professionals, of course, with the CDC, the NIH. They can't seem to get anything straight. We've got this Dutch expedition from Mozambique. I mean, no, from, from Botswana. Why can't we just find out? What's going on there, Andrew? I mean, you have the people in the Netherlands. Can't we just test them, find out what's going on? See how bad it is?
I hope that they are, and I think the view is that over the next 2 weeks we're going to see what the true implication is here. The question, though, I think for investors this morning is, do you want to ride this out? Do you want to be in stay-at-home stocks? Is that where this is going? Should you be optimistic and try to look through all of this? Should you be pessimistic?
Well, I think that I would go with something that splits the difference. I would go with slowdown. And in slowdown, what do? Well, you buy utility stocks. You can buy healthcare, which healthcare is being sold. That's probably a big mistake. You can really just sit there and say, you know what does well in a slowdown? You know what it's going to be, Andrew? It's going to be cloud, digitization, things that do not stop with the economy, the omniverse. So you have to stick with Fang and Friends. I know that's so boring, and nobody wants to hear that. Why do we always have to come up with something new if that works? That's what you buy in a slowdown, Andrew.